Today we'll be reviewing Dominion, which is one of the more famous card building games. So let's do this. Alright, so this is what it looks like in the inside. So you've got two stacks of cards going up. It's in alphabetical order, which is nice. I really enjoy playing this game, and so we played a lot. It has gotten a little beat up. There is two versions. There's many newer editions. So this is I think the first edition. So they recently came out for the newer one, which they switched some of the cards out. So when I set this game up, if there's a different card that isn't in yours, it's probably because you have a newer edition. So I'll get it set up. So this is the game when it's set up. You have the victory points, the money, then the deck of cards plus the trash card. The newer edition has a bigger trash card than that one. So this is a very fun game where you have 10 cards to play your turn with and then getting victory points. So this doesn't explain how it is, but how fun it is. This game, there's lots of luck, but when you really think about what you're doing, how you want to get money so you can buy victory points, you really have to think about what's the best way to do it. Some cards can be very cheap, and they're really powerful, like the Chapel, which isn't in this deck. So it's a really fun game. It's very enjoyable. It's only about half an hour once you know what you're doing. So your first couple of games could be a little bit longer. But once you really know how to play, it's really fast, and unless you get really bad cards, because you randomly pick 10. So if you get really bad cards, then it can be a little painful. So these are 10 good cards. I don't know how well it work, but it's a really fun game. On the scale of 1 to 10, it's probably a 7 point. It's probably a 7.5. Probably lean more towards the 8 though, because it does take a while to set up because you have to get so many cards, and when you get expansions, you get more cards to shuffle and sort through and put away. But it is a really fun game. It's lots of thinking. There is luck involved, so if you really like luck games plus a little bit of thinking of how you can control your luck, then this game is a good game for you. But it's probably closer towards an 8, like a 7.5, but it's probably closer to an 8. So that's Dominion.